Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. Welcome to another episode of the Barber Spotlight. And on this episode, we got my boy Steph here at 4KCuts. Alright, so before we get into it, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we're gonna get right into it now.
So, we start from the beginning, right?
Please start from
Yeah.
the beginning.
So basically, everyone asks me how did I get into barbering and why did I get into barbering. I always say, my mom. I have six other brothers, and she used to cut all our hair, but she used to jack us all up. The hairline used to be crooked, you know, we used to be spotty phase. Well, it wasn't even no phase. It was like damn near bald. Like close to bald, as close to bald as you can get it without it being bald, with a crooked line. I got fed up. I finally picked up a set of clippers and decided, I'm gonna learn this on my own. If I'm gonna jack something up, if anybody's gonna jack me up, it's gonna be me. It ain't gonna be my mom. I'm done with it. So I finally started. And like I said, I got six other brothers, so it was easy to practice because I got a whole bunch of hairs to practice on. So I was getting repetitions, getting reps, and then after a while, it just became a passion. I just stepped in, cut my hair. Yeah, I'll cut your hair. Start cutting around the block and stuff like that. But basketball, like I said, when I was telling you earlier, basketball was my first love, and I was growing up playing basketball too. So I went all the way through high school, college, and I always told myself, if this doesn't work out, barbering is gonna be my plan B. And then, like you said earlier, it just dawned on me my plan B was always my plan A, because that's what I actually started out with also.